day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Hey, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Sir Longanisa. Good afternoon, Ma'am Tuloso. Good afternoon, teachers. We're glad to see you, mga buhay.
Okay, so please remain stand. Okay, how are you today, class? Okay, okay. I am happy to hear that you're all good. But before anything else, I want you to wear this Jollibee crown. In my class, I want you to excel and I want you to be a bida-bida in my classroom. Because sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Okay. Okay, wear this Jollibee crown. Okay. Sebola. Okay, Sabrina. Okay. So, you may now take your seats. Where is your class monitor here? Please, okay. Please check that and then give it to me after the class. You may now take your seats. Ha? Isa, okay. Walay problema kay Gabi, Aram, and Crown. Dapat. Dapat, bida-bida ho. I want to be bida-bida in my class. And now, in my class, I have classroom rules. First, you have to pay attention during my discussion. Second, listen attentively. You have to listen attentively during my class. And of course, be respectful. If someone talk on the phone, dapat okay, respeto. And last, raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay? Are we clear?
Yes.
Okay. And now, I want you to all stand. Let's have a universal first. Because you look tired and sleepy. Okay, let's have an energizer first. I want everyone to dance and follow my dance steps. Okay. So, our music is okay. Everybody dance. Okay, okay, everybody dance. Okay. Okay, everybody, since our music is wala pa, I will sing na lang. So all you have to do is will follow. Okay, 4, 3. In order for you to energize, you have to dance with me. Okay, 4, 3, 2, go. Mama, 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 you're there. Mama, you're there. And that's you better. That's you better. That's you better. Okay, do you feel energized? Yeah. Okay, another one. Mama, 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 you're there. Mama, you're there. Mama, you're there. Mama, that's you better. That's you better. That's you better. Okay, do you feel energized? Yeah. Okay, and now, interesting. Pasensya na sa best sister. Okay. So in this moment, let's have a review. And the students who will answer the question is whether the yellow paper under their armchair. Okay, take a look. If not yellow, hindi sila sa imo, duha yung duha Okay, very good. Okay, our last topic is all about the social certification, right? There are 3 social classes, which are upper, middle, and lower. Okay, very good. I am happy that you know what was our last topic. Okay, next is, let's have a game that is called, again, your group based on the color of your armchair. Okay, this group will be the red and this is water. Kung sige makatindog, amoy mo answer sa unarranged words. Okay. First, name your first representative. Yes, dapat sa tindog. Kayo ay representative. Yes. Kung sino makatindog sa libro, amoy mo answer sa PowerPoint. Okay. Okay, first representative. Okay, only 3 representative and word under the front. Okay, first question is, it is a long-term shifts in weather patterns primarily caused by human activity. Your timer starts now. What is your answer? Okay, climate change. Next question. It is a long term. Okay, next. It is the earth that temperature increase due to the greenhouse gas emission. What is your answer? Another representative. Next representative. Your question is, it is the earth that temperature increase due to the greenhouse gas emission. Okay, so it is the evolution of beliefs, practices, and values within a society. Okay, so the winner is okay, go back to your number 6 now. Okay. Ready ka ba? Yeah? Okay. So in my class, we have learning objectives. So I have here our learning objectives. Okay, everybody read. Okay, join my class. This is my learning objectives. Now, what have you learned or observed from our activity earlier? What do you think is our next topic? Anyone from the class? Okay. Okay, importance of climate change. Another hand. Okay, John.
For me, sir, it's about the effects of global warming, climate change, and also the cultural change, sir.
Okay. Our next topic is, it's all about, do you think it is climate change or global warming? Okay, let's find out. Okay, our next topic is all about, everybody read. Okay, our next topic is all about the new challenges, contemporary societies, it is human adaptation and social change. Are you ready?
Yes.
Again, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will group you into 3. And then, okay, start from Bridjan, and then to Leon May, and then Leo. Leah, oh, sorry. And then Leah, up to Sabrina, and then you will be the group 3. Okay. I want you to, okay, here is the instruction. Each group will receive a button with a different topic. Read the text and share what you understand. Okay. I want you Yes.
So cultural changes when people beliefs, behaviors, and the things they may change, choosing a spouse and adopting a lifestyle. So as of today, we can see that our culture is changing. Dili kita balawang lima na static na bitaon ka na.
Yes.
So ang cultural change for me, sa akong very own understanding, is diha bitaw ning makita bitaw na ang belief bitaw ng isa ka tawo sa sinauna, ang more bitaw nagbago sa human generation. So ang dili sa ating siya balaw na ang belief ra ng isa ka tawo na bago sa today's generation, but also our behavior and also ang things dito na join sa atong lifestyle. Like for example, sa atong cultural change, sa una, join ko sa atong culture ang mag-write ng messages or like mangharana. But in today's generation, ang culture ng atong pangharana is ang more bitaw na bayuan na si John na sa chat sa kang bitaw or like messages kay sa atong ang goal kuman atong culture kuman sa atong generation is dynamic. It is changing and dealers alone na kuman nag-change si John in the near future mag-change siya gyapon si John like ang ina bitaw changes kaya more bitaw na continuous ra si John.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, give a group to a very good clap. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, next group. About the political change. Okay, Miss Pantoyori. What is your insight about the political change? It means changes in a country's government, like new laws or a new type of government. What is your understanding?
For me, sir, political changes are made. Ang political, sir, nag-changes sila ng often na ang mga, ang society, sir, kaya nakagod sila ng govern sa nandiyoy, sa political, sir, kaya nandiyoy mga rules, sa mga laws na ato ginasunod, sir, sa ang political, sir, kaya nandiyoy sa leadership na, like, example, sir, kaya kanang kanang pag mag-election kita, sir, mo dyan ako.
Okay, very good. Okay, good. Good. Again, and out at the clap. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. Out at the amazing. Okay, political change, it means changes in a country's government. Because she cannot serve before a woman, there are discrimination between the man and the woman, right? And only a man can be a leader in our society. But now, it changed, right? A woman can be a leader also, right? Did you understand? Okay. Now, what is global warming and climate change? What do you think? Anyone? Okay. Mr. Pruhan, stand up.
Global warming is about the increase in temperature in the earth, and climate change is the occasional change of weather. For example, if currently we're experiencing a hot weather, there's a possible chance that tomorrow we're gonna experience spring.
Okay, very good. What is global warming and climate change? Okay, I want you to read. Everybody read.
Greenhouse gases and greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is the process wherein radiation from the Earth's atmosphere warms its surface to a temperature above what it would be in the absence of its atmosphere. It is caused by greenhouse gases.
Okay, do you know that greenhouse has the gases, the four gases? Which are those? The climate change. Before, we experienced kadalas sa December mapuyan. But now, every summer, mapuyan na. It's because of the climate change. It's because of the abusive people are responsible. Okay, next is surface temperature and cyclone. Strong cyclones, we experience strong cyclones. It's because of the climate change. Next is the coastline changes. Ang pagbaha, di ba? Pagbaha, muabot na siya sa bayay. It's because another forest that mining, especially the illegal mining. So, simply. Okay, that's right. Ang sabing dili si Jama ka? Dili si Jama? Dili si Jama ko. It's because wala na yung trees na mo sa water. If ever na, water ang rainfall. Okay, water level change. Ang pagtaas ng dagat or water. Next, food productivity. And floods can damage crops and livestock. Did you agree? Yes, especially the farmers, di ba? Yes. Another food productivity is maapektuhan due to the climate change. Next, forest covers. Wildfires make forest vulnerable or weak. Di ba? Like sa dyan, mga illegal mining. Ang atong forest, especially ang forest, is makakas dyan ng fresh air. Right? But due to the climate change, the illegal mining, usog na ang wildfire. Right? It's because of sa kapasa sa panahon. Dahil wala na may, wala na kahon. Okay, last is desertification of land, condensed soil, loss of biodiversity. Okay, ang pagtigaw ng lupa. Diba? Naka-apekto sa dyan sa mga animals and plants. Loss of biodiversity. Are we clear? Yes. Okay. Waste to address global warming. Okay, this activity dapat to address in order for us to para malitayan ang global warming. Okay, first, everybody read. Okay, first is the current adaptation strategies. Do you agree that you are also one of the reasons why climate change? Yes, especially sa transportation. Even na magsakay ka ng tricycle, jeep, or even a bus, guilty dapat ka na you are the reason why climate change is because the gases from the transportation that oil, right? Okay, we have to be environmental friendly. That is why there are activities or environmental activities that we have to join, especially the tree planting, the air pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. We have to be active, especially in the sustainable activities. We have to recycling the plastic bottles. Sakto ba? We have to recycling, and then instead of using plastics, magtayo na lang tayo ng paper bag. Okay? Okay. Next is mitigation and adaptation. Everybody read. Okay, mitigation and adaptation. As like what I said, the greenhouse is, grabe na si Jack ka-alarming because the greenhouse or the green gases is to maintain the effect of the atmosphere. Pag once na ma-change si Jack, maka-experience na ganan, lahing na klima. Instead na summer, maka-experience kita ng heavy rainfall due to the climate change. That is why we have to be sustainable in our everyday life. Did you get me? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. Our earth is getting warmer and that was a big problem. But we can make a difference by making small changes like saving energy and recycling. We can help to protect our planet for the future. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, do you have any question? Okay, since you don't have a question, ako will have question. Okay. Okay, I want you to answer Great John. Your question is, what is the general idea of the topic we discussed today? I gave you rules, sorry. Okay, because I have classmates of the Great John, that's why. Okay, what is the general idea of the topic we discussed today?
My general idea about the topic we have discussed today is about the addressing climate change. It's about the impact of greenhouse gases na nakakability to take reduce impact rather sa mga tao, hindi lang mga tao, sir, mga all living things, sir, like tungkol siya, sir, na di nato isa man doon ang mga luman, sir, sa kuan rin sa mga joy at climate change or global warming. Kaya tungkol, sir, kita, sir, tamo as, sir, kuan may ato awareness, sir, kung dapat ato umuon, sir, para lang sa ma-maintain ato ang kuan ang balance, sir, ng ato klima.
Okay, very good, nice idea. Again, give her an opposite loud. 40, 2, go! Amazing! Okay, very good, Green Rose. Okay, now let's have a group activity. Make a slogan. Each group will select one representative to present their groups or to the class. Okay, same group. Okay, this will be a group 1 and group 2. Okay, you have to make a slogan. Okay, you only have 3 minutes to make. Okay, I want everyone to collaborate, share your ideas to make a slogan. Okay, your timer starts now. You only have 3 minutes. Okay, I have here a marker. Slogan. Okay. Only 3 minutes ha. If I go the group 1, dapat ready na. I want you to collaborate with your group mates in order for you to share your ideas also. You only have 2 minutes. I want everyone to collaborate your ideas. 36. I want you to explain in Franco. One minute. Dun, 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 dun. Make us know about what we discussed today. Okay, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 60, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay. Group 1 will be the first presenter. Okay. Who is your group representative? Okay. Go back to your brothers. Okay, group 1 is your representative. Okay, Angel. Okay, I want you to go to the front. Yes. Okay. If gusto niyo ng draw, yes, you can. Okay. First presenter, go.
Equilibrium is a must. Gain solutions and reduce pollution for a better future balance. For Mr. Kai, equilibrium sir, kaya kailangan balance ang ato pakuan sa ato global sir. For this sir kay makagain kita ng solution sa ato problema because sir na dili pa nato kanado sa masul na wala pa nato kasulpat sanan makareduce ng pollution for a better future.
Okay, very good. Give them an African love again. 4, 3, 2, go. Okay, group 2. Okay, give them a round of applause. Okay, group 2 start now.
So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmates. So, we are the group 2, and our slogan is, our earth is getting warmer, our lives are getting harder. Stand up now to make things brighter. So, our slogan shows, or it tells, na as of today, ang ato gadud kalibutan or Mother Earth is getting warmer, and as time passes by, mas nagkapasugod siya. So, as Mother Earth, or our Mother Earth is getting warmer, ang ato sad lives na apektuhan.
So, as what Charles said, we should stand up in order to make a better future for us. Start reducing or stop reduce doing things that could affect our Mother Earth in order for us to live a better future.
Okay, very good. Group talking, give them a very good clap. 40 to go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, why is it important to understand the changes in our society? Yes, Mr. Han?
To make us aware, sir, and so that we are not clueless of what's going on around us.
Okay, very good. Of course, if we understand the changes in our society, we are not clueless. Dapat mahibayot taga sa changes of our society. Okay, next. Key takeaways. You have to write an essay about what we discussed. Okay, you only have 2 minutes to write. Give one half each. Okay. 2 minutes to write an essay about your understanding or about what we discussed. Okay, close the time. Give one half. You have to write the understanding word. The time. You can write on your notebook. If you're not, we can just have paper. You have to write an essay about what we discussed. You only have 1 minute left. Double time. Are you done? 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Race B, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. best singing ever. Okay, thank you.
Message si Char. Isa yung message. Si Green! Si Green! Go Green!
Please, among the most